If you want to repurpose one post into multiple formats using a scheduler, stick around, because in just 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do this with one simple tool, saving you tons of time and effort in your content strategy. The best part? I've tested out several popular options, and I'm giving you an exclusive free trial to the one I recommend in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. Let's get into it. So, first things first, repurposing content is a game changer. Whether you're repurposing a blog post, a social media update, or a video, a good scheduler will allow you to adapt and schedule it for different platforms without much extra work. And here's the key. By using a scheduler, you can avoid spending countless hours manually uploading and formatting your posts. Instead, you'll get more done in less time, and it'll help your content reach different audiences who consume content in different ways. Now, let's walk through how to repurpose one post into multiple formats using our software. Let's say you have a detailed blog post. You can break it down into smaller, digestible social media posts, quotes, or graphics. The first thing you want to do is identify your core message or theme from your original post. Then think about how you can present this message in different formats. For example, a long-form blog can be turned into a series of bite-sized social media posts, while a video can be split into shorter clips or turned into a carousel post with key points. Here's where the scheduler comes in. Once you've broken down your content into different formats, you can upload everything into the software we're using. Our software will automatically adjust the sizing and layout for each platform, so you don't need to worry about creating specific files for each one. Plus, you can schedule everything at once, saving you even more time. Set your dates and times, and the software will do the rest. One great feature of this software is the ability to repurpose content without starting from scratch each time. You can duplicate posts, tweak the text to make them unique for different platforms, and schedule them all to go live when your audience is most active. This means you're maximizing the content you've already created, making sure it performs well across all platforms, and getting the most value out of each post. Another benefit of using a scheduler for repurposing content is analytics. Our software gives you access to performance data, so you can see how each piece of repurposed content is performing across platforms. This data helps you fine-tune your strategy and create even more effective content moving forward. So what's the key takeaway here? Repurposing your content into multiple formats using a scheduler is the smartest, most efficient way to reach more people with less effort. By breaking down your original content and scheduling it across multiple platforms, you're maximizing your impact and saving time. Remember, if you want to try this out for yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software we used in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of it before it's gone. To recap, repurpose your content by breaking it down into different formats. Use a scheduler to automatically adjust the formatting and timing for each platform, and leverage analytics to improve your strategy. That's how you repurpose one post into multiple formats using a scheduler and get more value out of your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below.